Now, JFF President Michael Ricketts says he doesn't expect any disharmony in the Reggae Boys camp following the exclusion of regular captain Andre Blake from the squad to face Argentina in a friendly international later this month. Ricketts also says he's unbothered by comments made on social media by Stella Marley on the matter. Here's Jerome Foster.
On Tuesday, a rallying call from Reggae Girls ambassador Stella Marley was posted on social media, urging the senior men's national team players selected for the friendly international against Argentina on September 27 to stand in solidarity with regular captain Andre Blake. This after Blake was left out of the squad following a post on social media last Friday where he said, quote, "A new head coach with the same federation will probably equal the same results," end quote. He was responding to a post about Icelandic coach Heimir Hallgrímsson, who is expected to take over as Reggae Boys head coach. Marley thinks Blake is being punished for standing up to the federation, but JFF President Michael Ricketts disagrees. Ricketts also doesn't see a repeat of what happened in Suriname, where the players tried to boycott the Nations League game.
No, I am not, because here's a situation that whatever action may be in the thoughts of some of the players is totally not justified. Absolutely not. So, if players want to strike because coach thinks he wants to look at other players, then the JFF will certainly not sit down and pretend that it's hunky-dory, because it's not. The JFF is the regulatory body. The JFF runs football, not players. And if we are trying to work with the players, we are working with a new coaching staff who says that they want to look at some young players. What is the big deal?
Ricketts says Blake's comments are unwarranted based on the improvement in communication with the players.
This particular player has not made himself available for a number of practice games. He didn't keep in the game against Suriname for no reason at all. He came to Jamaica, he didn't keep in the game here. So if the coach wants to look at other prospects, what is the big deal? As far as I know, the game is on.
For Ricketts, the imminent arrival of Hallgrímsson means things are moving from rock bottom.
Well, I'm saying that this is something that we all should be very happy about, that we are now engaging a new coach. We are on the verge of starting a new contract, and there are so many changes, positive changes that are taking place right now, that I just don't think that the players should really want to go that route. But I am saying that we are going ahead with our plan, and let's see what will happen on this.
But what will the 55-year-old services cost the federation?
Jerome, all of that will be, like I've said, unveiled on Friday. All the details. I don't want to make Friday an anticlimax.
The Reggae Boys clash with Argentina will be played in New Jersey. Jerome Foster, TVJ Sports.